No human just popped out of a rock. We all came from somewhere. Our histories are woven together like threads in an ancient tapestry. Especially here in Africa, our story is interconnected. But without acknowledging these truths, we are moving further and further away from truly knowing ourselves. It is heartbreaking to see so many of our people today abandoning their own indigenous languages. Yes, we understand that some were forcibly removed from speaking their mother tongue during dark times of colonial rule, and those people cannot be blamed. But what about today? What about now, when so many in this generation are voluntarily ditching their languages just to sound smart, just to seem relevant, just to fit into a system that was never built for them? Here on this channel, we have never been shy about our message. Stick to your language. Learning other languages is good, even necessary in today's world. But don't let what you learn make you forget who you are. In fact, use what you learn to advance your identity, not to erase it. Because when we talk about identity, we are talking about the original you. If I am Zulu, I want to know what we were before we were called Zulus. And those who came before them, what were they? When you begin to search like this, you discover something powerful. Being Zulu or Tsonga or Xhosa or Petty does not make you different from other tribes. In fact, you'll find that your great-great-grandfathers walked the same paths, shared the same rivers, spoke the same language, as those you might now see as others or enemies. I know some of our people are irritated that this channel sometimes uses an AI voice. But let me be clear, that robotic voice is only a tool. The knowledge it shares is carefully researched, thoughtfully curated, and rooted in the love of our people. Ironically, the ones who complain the most about AI voice are the same people who speak English from morning until night, who have forgotten the taste of their own tongue. Let's set the record straight. The presenter and researcher behind this channel is a fluent Nguni speaker. Not just fluent, but proudly grounded in the language. Even when I think, I meditate in my own language, because my mind and my spirit speak it fluently. People often ask, where do you get all this information? The answer is, from my language. I don't just pronounce the words. I dig into their meaning. And when I do, I find a map, a web of hidden connections between us and our neighbors, between our rivers, our mountains, our forebearers. Many names we use today have no meaning in our current understanding until we look to other tribes. And suddenly, the word is alive again, holding truth and memory. So no, using an AI voice does not make me less indigenous. It is an effort to reach those who were robbed of their mother tongue, those who are hungry to return to themselves. Ironically, those who criticize us the most are not these people. The loudest complaints come from those who have chosen to walk away from their own language and now expect us to narrate our history in their new foreign way. But to those walking this journey with us, those who are uncovering the truth and honoring our history. We are deeply grateful. This is a long journey, but we are walking it with purpose. Our language is the way forward, and through it, we have already begun to win. We refuse the foreign ways that tell us we came from apes, from creatures named Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, and Homo sapiens, roaming millions of years ago. That is not our story. We are human beings. Our time here may not exceed 10,000 years, but we are yet to live the millions. Our ancestors were placed here by divine purpose, not by chance, not by evolution. So let us honor them. Let us speak their language. Let us remember who we truly are